Hello, everybody. Today I wanted to show you something interesting in this program, how I will be blending surfaces, NURBS surfaces, because this program is great when it comes to modeling. I will add a primitive I think I will not I will not need too many segments. Now I will freeze. I wanted to show something interesting. What I will be doing with this grid. Control G. Because you can do amazing stuff within this program inside this application. First of all, I will show you because you can, even if you modify NURBS surface like that, you can still blend it. I will show you steps how you can do that. Because I was learning and I have the documentation, but for more than 2 weeks I didn't have time to publish it. Okay. We have two options. Surface mesh. This option is also interesting. Okay, we have snap boundary. What we got here? Okay, first of all, we need to use option called snap boundary. You select, and now we connected curve surfaces. Not only this, because after when we performed that operation, we can blend the surface together. But I have to find something important. Oh no, I will have to finish what I started. You can see I can modify this. I will insert a note later on. It is not last step. After that we will have to select both. Okay, we will have to go to option surface mesh. There's option called assembly. I think we have to select both. What does this option do? It will blend two pieces together. Oh, I can see some advanced options. Okay, I think after that I will use the freeze command because we generated a two mesh, we generated blended surface, NURBS surface, the blended one. But the thing is, I don't like one thing. When I manipulate curve, it doesn't show additional edges. As you can see, this is one piece. We blended separate pieces all together. Okay, I just have to find insert node curve. I wish I could do what I done inside application Maya, because in Maya you can you can do more things in Maya. But this program is not the same, but it also has large possibilities. I wonder if I can change some settings. What is this? Oh, I didn't know about the data option. Oh, I try to find the option where I can add some extra edges after blending this. Okay. Okay. I wish I could do that. Okay. Let's check what I can do next. No, I can't. I wonder how can I convert this option. Okay. Okay. This is one of the ways you can use option assembly. I just try to modify points. Not everything in this application I like. Not everything I like. I see some points here. Some of them, oh, actually, they are visible. But one thing I was thinking to make it visible, probably you can turn this on. Oh, this is what I needed. Because without it, it's harder to see where points are located. And that is why I was struggling to see. Sorry, this video tutorial shouldn't be that long. But I just have to get used to, because program is very different what I used to do in the past. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial.